What's up guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very exciting NFT project for you, and especially if you're into crypto investing, if you want to find golden gems like Solana at $1 and you want to get on a rocket before it does the 120x, 250x, then this project is for you because the utility is insane. This project is backed up by a company called One Satoshi, which is a trading company for cryptocurrency. I've talked to the team, the owner is named Kenny. He has great experience with crypto trading, has been in the market for years, and he has also an insane team, people of trading analysis expertise, and they know where to get on, which kind of rocket you should enter and when to get out, and they will tell you everything that you know. It's kind of like an alpha group mixed with a kind of course, and you get all this value just for getting one of their NFTs, which is priced at 0.07 Ethereum. Awesome, right? So let's get straight into it. Before I get rolling and speak some heat, I want you to know that this is all not financial advice. Do your own research, get a feeling about the project, get into the Discord group and find out if you want to invest. I'm definitely behind this project, that's why I'm gonna do this video. We haven't been paid like Ethereum or some shit or cryptocurrency, got access to the NFTs or like a kind of free mint, but we are definitely behind the project, and the team is online. You can see them, it's a company behind the project, and also on the Twitter you can see which kind of people are in the team. So it's not a rug pull, there is somebody behind the project, and as you can already see, it's not like a copycat. The roadmap is not copied, the design is very unique. You kind of see it mimics Dragon Ball, Son Goku. You know, we all are Saiyajins in the community. Every hole is a super Saiyajin, and we will go to the moon. So look at this, we have different kind of designs. It looks very cool. These are kind of like apes mixed with lines. I really like it, and check out the sneak peeks of the OG or legendary. Now these are the legendary designs. Here you can see like the evil Goku who's raging is like a GIF. See the fire burning is awesome. We have also this one here with the card. Let's see what else do we have here. This one is chilling, smoking some good stuff. I need this one. I need this, yeah, Son Goku NFT with the Dragon Balls. I want it. Like if you mint it, just text me, and if I find out you have it and you don't pass it to me, I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna find you and I'm gonna pay you a high amount of Ethereum to get this on. For real, here we got also like a matrix on. He definitely hacked the matrix by getting into the crypto market, getting these gains in, escaping the matrix, their job, and retiring early. That's what it's about, right? That's why we're in here, and the people in this community, that's what they're about. These people will let you know if they find some gems in the crypto markets. Cryptocurrencies that haven't skyrocketed yet. There's also like a very cool community that joined. It's from the Wolfpack. Jaystrom is the owner of the NFT project. It's a great guy. He already sold out a project with a strong community. Like they've been on our AMA and they rock that stuff. So definitely check out Wolfpack. Strong community so far. And we're gonna get to the utilities. Here's the golden one. I really like this one. But check out the Discord. Even though if you don't even have an NFT, you already can benefit from their documents that they have here. They have like kind of small coaching materials with all about crypto, trading and investment. They have daily news that they post in. With moonback strategy, swing strategy, when you should get into a cryptocurrency to get like the 30% gains, get out of it with price or sell and buy in targets. So it's really good, and I already bought into like 3 coins that they named here. And at the bottom we have here the trade results, so you can check it out and see which kind of gains the community already made. It's awesome. Instead of getting into like a alpha channel which you pay like every month, I don't know, like $300, $400 or like even more, 1K. I've seen some that cost 2K. Jump into this one. Like we have great value to offer, and I like it. I really like the community. And let's get to the roadmap, because that's the stuff that I really like about this project, and that's the golden nugget. So the mint is already online. We have a Genesis supply of 1,111. 20 of those are legendaries, which I've just showed you. These are like the gifts, which look awesome. So I'm definitely looking forward to get one of those, hopefully. And then we have also OG Gokus, which are 100. And if you're one of the first 500 minters, then you can get a OG Goku, which has a lot of perks. So right now on the website, there are like 311 minted out of 1111. So there's still a lot of room to grow. And also you can get your OG Goku, which is awesome because you will have so many benefits and perks from this one. I'm getting that one. The price is 0.07 ETH, which is around about $250. I think gas is also very low right now, so it's a good entry. And let's look into the roadmap and also the utility. The coolest thing about this project is that the owners are so kind to take 75% of the total mint value and put it into the treasury for the community. And with that treasury, let's say if they sell out like all of those, let's say we have like $1 million from the mint value, which are like 75% of the total mint value that they got. They got 75% to the side, and with this $1 million, we're gonna trade. Let's say we do 30% on like a quick flip. Then the community can vote, hey, do we want to exit and pay the people that hold their NFTs? Or do we want to play more with the holdings, because we can multiply it and it will grow exponentially and we will make more gains. So we can decide as a community if you want to get paid out or if you want to scale or treasury by getting into more crypto, making more gains. So that's the cool thing. And look at this. If you're holding like one of the OG masters, like if you're one of the first 500 minters, then you get NFT, you will get 2% of the 3,777 baby Gokus. You will have access to them, and you will also get 0.5% of the mint value. You will also get 2% of the Master Goku jackpot pool. So you will get paid out, let's say we do $1 million in profit. You will get paid out 2% of the whole pool, which is awesome. So there are a bunch of perks if you are a holder of the OG one, but also if you mint 3 of the NFTs, you will also get some extra benefits with an extra pool. Also extra access to the baby Goku mint, which is kind of like the next collection that they will bring out to get more people into the project. And also as an OG holder, you will get access to the diamond channel, where they will put a lot of value in about new trades, new opportunities in the crypto market. And people that would want to get in there, they need to pay a high fee, like $500 a month to get in there. But if you're a holder, you will get free access, and you can read through all these perks from different kind of holdings or which kind of NFTs you hold. And overall, it's awesome, especially if you're an OG holder. Guys, they've put not everything on the road because they don't want to promise too much. But I can tell you, if you're an OG holder and we do some good gains, we're gonna get a big payout as an airdrop to a wallet. So this will be insane. And as more people hear about our gains and our wins as a community in the channel, and people that don't hold the NFT will see it, they will think like, yo, I need to join, and that's how the flow will rise. These project owners, they haven't done any big marketing yet because they wanted to build like a good foundation. Now we have like the Wolfpack in here, which is an external NFT community, and they are holding the floor. They will bring loyal people in the community that are not here to just do a quick flip. It's really like a long-term project, and just with like these $300 that you invest into NFT, you get so much value. So you shouldn't even think about doing a flip, because if you follow their trades, then you're just gonna get the money in. You're gonna be profitable. So also here you have the notes about a vote structure. If you hold one NFT, you will have one vote, and the more NFTs you hold, or if you hold like OG NFT, then you have more votes for deciding where the money should flow, if we should exit and stuff like that. This is the revenue relocation. So if you do like $1 million in gains, 60% gonna go into the community pool, and they also investing into a team. They have like great people in the team that are into trading, crypto trading, and have great experience, and they're well connected. Like I know which kind of network they have, and I know people that know stuff that only a selected circle knows about. So guys, just be sure these are not guys that are just filtering the news. They know people that you don't even have on the screen, right? So that would be awesome to see these kind of calls, and just one of them needs to hit. Imagine you put $1,000 into Solana at $1 and it does a 200x or 100x. These are gains that we are looking for, right? If you want to look into your community, check out the description link, join there, get a good feeling about what is going on here. I'm just saying, like, you can see one of the NFTs that got auctioned. It's like a 101, it's a legendary one, and somebody paid 1.68 Ethereum on that one. There have been multiple people that were bidding on it, and that guy paid like 5 grand on it. It's a diamond hand community. I'm telling you, people that get the NFT, they won't flip it, they're gonna enjoy the perks of holding it, they're gonna stay, and the floor will slowly rise. And as soon as somebody that is popular will talk about it, which they also have access to, we have done like an AMA call, and there have been some people that are really established in the crypto and NFT space, the floor gonna rise and you won't be able to get in anymore, and the only thing that you can do is pay the monthly subscription, which will be expensive, and it's a monthly fee. So check it out, check out the value that you already posted in here, get convinced by yourself. Like I said, it's a long-term project with long-term gains, so if you're invested into reading these calls about trades, you will get your money back. It's no promise, but do your own research, check out the channel and get the feeling about the community and what they promise on the roadmap. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.